side. For you I'll ride till I die.
So what's up mga ka-showbikes? This is the last part. The old but gold memories. So what's up mga ka-showbikes? Welcome to our new vlog.
Yes, madulot ko. Diyan. Sumakit ang dibdib ko. LOL! Ang hindi ako ka. Dibdib mo? Oh my God! Hindi makapagdunod.
Gabi. Job. Andig pa naman tinilan. Oh.
Palo. Paglag na tulog pa na kaya ko. Panang-panang ha. Ikaw pala ito, di mauwa ka ito.
Pila lang yan.
Kita ka, boy?
Wala ka na.
You're the only girl in this shady world.
Oh, I'm a mess when I overthink the little things in my head. You seem to always help me catch my breath, but then I lose it again. When I look at you, that's the end. And why do I get so nervous when I look into your eyes? Butterflies can't stop me falling for you. And darling, this is more than anything I felt before. You're everything that I want, but I didn't think.
A few moments later.
Tawa din. Tawa rin din. Kasya. Kiniing. Dahil ka.
Doran yung pagod na. Ayaw.
I just need some coffee in the morning, no sugar or tea, 'cause I can feel my eyelids falling, they're trying to sleep. But if I take a sip of caffeine, then surely I'll be